Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Dato Sinsuat Balabaran was a Filipino politician who was one of the earliest Muslim Filipino figures in national politics. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Little is known about the exact details of Dato Sinsuat's early life. Siya ay isinilang noong 1864 at ang kanyang ama ay si Dato Balabaran, isang miyembro ng isang pamilyang Cotabato sa Sultanato ng Mindanao na ang mga miyembro ay kinabibilangan ng kanyang tiyuhin. Si Dato Ayuna na nagbigay kay Dato Balabaran ng titulong Gobernadorcillo del Delta na ipinagkaloob naman kay Ayuna ng mga Espanyol para sa pagsuporta sa kanila. Ang opisyal na talambuhay ni Sinsuat ay nagsasaad na noong bata pa siya ay inampun siya ng kilalang pinuno ng Maguindanaon na si Dato Piang at bilang isang binata ay nagsilbi siyang delegado ng gobernador militar ng Espanya. Sa panahon ng pananakop ng mga Amerikano, siya ay hinirang na Municipal District President ng kanyang katutubong dinaig noong 1916. Mula 1923 hanggang 1931 ay nagsilbi siyang espesyal na tagapagpayo ng gobernador ng Cotabato. Sa panahong ito, napabuti niya ang kanyang katayuan sa politika at panlipunan sa pamamagitan ng malapit na pakipagtulungan sa mga otoridad ng kolonyal, who strategically matched his heirs with other prominent families, accumulating agricultural lands and revenues from traditional sources of income for the Datos. Sinsuat was appointed in 1934 by Governor General Frank Morphy to the Philippine Senate as a 12th senatorial district representing the non-Christian majority provinces of the Cordilleras and Mindanao until the abolition of the chamber in 1935. As the first Dato to develop considerable political connections at the national level, his appointment to the position was credited to his acquaintance with Senate President and nationalist leader Manuel Quezon. Several of Sinsuat's relatives and descendants became politicians in their own right, holding positions in Cotabato City, Cotabato Province, and in Maguindanao. Thank you very much for watching, and according to a famous quote, we study everything except for dignity, whereas dignity is more needed in life than any other knowledge. Shout out and thanks to the comment of Miss Juju Pearl. Maraming salamat po.